Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. If you've spent any time off-road in your Tacoma, then you know that the factory fog lights leave something to be desired off-road. We've got your solution with Rough Country's fog light replacement kit for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. First of all, we've got our replacement bezels that are designed to frame our 3.5-inch LEDs perfectly. We've got our jumper harnesses that are going to allow you to plug and play those LEDs directly to your factory wiring harness. We've got our bracketry that are going to allow you to install our LEDs directly into the factory location. And finally, our 3.5-inch Black Series DRL LEDs. These lights are going to give your Tacoma superior illumination on the trail, and the amber DRL is going to give the front end that extra pop on the street. Installation is simple and straightforward, but instead of me telling you that, let me just show you. Our first step is going to be to remove the factory bezel. After that, everything else happens behind the bumper. In order to reach that, I'm going to remove the wheel well, and so you can see what I'm doing, I'll also remove the tire. So we will pry the factory bezel out of its location. It's got clips in behind it. All right, there we go. With the inner liner out of the way, we can see what we've came for. We've got our factory fog light here. We're gonna unplug the harness, and we've got one Phillips head screw to remove. We'll get that removed out of the way. Then we'll go to the bench, assemble our bracket and light, and install those. And pulls out. All right, we're gonna take our light, get our supplied hardware in place, take our driver's side bracket, drop it onto that bolt, and put our washers and nut on. Get those tightened down, and we'll be ready to install in the truck. And while we're on the bench, I'll go ahead and grab our jumper wire. This plugs directly into the factory harness and the light. This white wire is to power our DRLs. And you can put that on its switch itself, or like I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap into the vehicle's parking lights so that the DRL comes on when you turn those on. Now we're ready to install our Rough Country light. We've got our bracket set up. These two tabs are gonna slide into the factory location, and we use the factory screw at this point to cinch it all down. Now we're ready to install our jumper wire. This end is gonna go to our factory harness. This end is gonna go to our LED light, and this white wire, which powers our DRL, like I said, you can run that to a switch, you can tap into your parking lights. We're gonna leave that up to you. So we're gonna plug into the light. We're gonna plug into the factory harness. There it goes. And we just need to get a couple of wire ties, get this tied up nice and out of the way. Then we'll put our wheel well back in place, and then we'll be ready to snap on our bezel. So I've reached up and pulled the bulb from the side marker light here on the driver's side. Taking my test light, figured out which one of these two wires is the positive. Turns out it's the purple on the driver's side. Spliced into that, use a little shrink tube to make sure that my solder connection is weatherproof. Now we'll plug that back into its housing, and we'll be ready to move on. We've got our light on our bracket and installed onto the bumper. We've got our jumper wire installed, as well as our DRL lead spliced into our side marker light. We've reinstalled our wheel well liner. I'm gonna get the tire on, set it back on the ground, and we'll be ready to install our bezel. All right, the passenger side's gonna install the exact same way. I won't bore you with that. Let me get that knocked out, and we'll take a final look. Now let's turn them on and check them out. First, our marker lights, then our fogs. That completes the installation. Nice and simple, plug and play. But like with any other product, be sure to verify your specific model's application before purchase. So if you're looking for a lighting option that's gonna be outstanding on the trail and have your Tacoma standing out in these streets, check out our fog light replacement kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.